The overall goal of this procedure is to provide a training resource for convection-enhanced delivery into agarose gel models of the brain. This is accomplished by first properly preparing an accurate agarose gel model of the brain. The second step is to prepare the line and catheter for infusion, ensuring no air is present in the line to impair the infusion. The next step is to start the infusion, taking careful steps to prevent reflux and continuously monitoring the rate and infusate cloud via MRI. After completing the infusion, the final step is to analyze the data provided by the MRI of the infusion. Ultimately, MR data analysis is used to show the volume of distribution and the VD to VI ratio accomplished by the infusion.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods of pharmacological therapy is that it allows direct bulk infusion of therapeutics that have had limited utility due to their pharmacokinetic properties in the blood-brain barrier.
The implications of this technique extend towards the treatment of brain tumor, metabolic disorders, neurodegenerative disorders such as Parkinson's disease, stroke, and trauma. Historical treatments have relied on pharmacotherapy or direct surgery. This procedure may allow the delivery of substances that had limited utility in diseases up until now.
To begin, dissolve 2 grams of 0.1%